Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to today's video. My name is Elizabeth and welcome to my channel. If you just joined me and you've seen this for the first time, I do cleaning motivation, grocery hauls, laundry, anything home related. Yeah, give mix masala for home content. I do content from my house. So I'm about to clean the house. I need to clean the kitchen and the living room. It's just one room, so divided into two without partitions. You can go and check my video that is way back there. I titled it How I Am Settling In, I think. Yeah, that's where I was moving in the living room and the kitchen, because I was using two rooms before. If you know, then it's fine. Then before I am going to clean, I'd just like to share with you the product that I'm using in the house. I know I've shared them before, but I need to just remind you guys and show new members of this channel, because since then we've grown a lot. Yeah, so for my cupboards, I use this one, Mr. Sheen multi-surface daily cleaner, which is anti-static dust removal, protect, cleans and shines. I love it. I like the smell also. And I used to buy the pink one, which is what, this is Spring Fresh. That one, I think it's Potpourri, if I'm not mistaken. It's the previous one that I've used before this one. I've been using this for sure for 2 years now. And I also have this Mr. Sheen daily surface. It's a multi-surface cleaner also, and it's a cleaner and disinfectant. I don't use it regularly. I use it sometimes, and I like the fact that it kills cold and flu viruses. In winter, that's where I use it the most. Like today, I'm going to use it to just clean my cupboard, because yeah, those days of colds and flu have arrived, and this has been good to me. Hey, you can clean the kitchen, you can clean kids' toys, lunch bags and pet areas. What I like about this one is it's too much watery. Like, this is water, but when you spray it, it makes, it just spray. What does it do? Drops. Yeah, hey, you'll understand. But this one has got a lot of water. You can somehow be washing away those things. And if I run out of this, this has been there for a long time, because I don't use it regularly. If I run out of this and I'm not about to make any groceries, or I don't have time to go to the shop, I just make a solution of vinegar with a pinch of sunlight liquid. Then I'll spray my surfaces and clean. This one also, I've used it on top of my stove. It shines it very, very, very nice. And then I have, my things are all purpose, multi-surface, all purpose. And I use this one also. Let me say, I am having this one for now. I bought it because it was cheaper, because in this economy, yeah, I've been using this together with Handy Andy for greasy surfaces. This one especially on the stove, and my stove is very white. Then I use this one. Sometimes I pour in my mopping water. I use this one in my mopping water also. Then I have a bleach. I've been always using bleach from Checkers, from house brand. I have not changed. If I change, it will be from ShopRite label. I didn't buy any except this house brand or ShopRite, which is right brand. They are sisters, these two shops. So I use this one daily on my dishes. I just put a pinch of this in my water for dishes. Ever since the pandemic, guys, I've never stopped using this one. Even in my mopping water, it doesn't last. Like, it's about to finish and I still have another one. I top up on top of each other. So this one is for, I put a pinch in my dishes and I do really put it in my mopping water, and cleans out the mop nicely also. My mop is brown, but not brown dirty. I don't know if you understand. Then I have these dishes, the Sunlight original dish washing liquid. There's nothing much to say about it. All I can say is that it has a foam. Yeah, it has a foam, and unbeatable on bent on stains. Yeah, I can say it, but I'm using this one. Before, I have used the right brand dishwashing liquid. It's also fine. The reason why I bought this one, I remember it was on sale. It can be steep on price, this one, but it was on sale, so I kept on buying it, and I used to buy refills also. Yeah, this is the things that I'm using. And for mopping, I used to have mopping liquid, the soap for mopping, but if I run out, guys, I don't have to stress myself. I use these three. If I run out of the mopping, like now I have run out, I'm going to use these three in my mopping water. Then I'll mop and clean my floors with it. Yeah, I don't have to stress with that one. If I buy it, I buy it, but if I don't have, I still use whatever I have in the house. As for the solution of vinegar and this, I don't use it that much. I don't really like it. That's just that I don't really like it. The vinegar, I use it in laundry. Yeah, this is basically what I am using in the house when I am cleaning the house. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you share what you are using for your dishes, for your cupboard, and your mopping the floor, and the experience about it. Can you recommend anything for me or something for me to try out? But as for this one, this I'm not gonna replace. I don't think it is too strong compared to the jig that we know. I like it for that. I don't want something that is too strong, because I'm using it with my bare hands. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this video, guys. And yeah, share your cleaning detergents with me, the experiences about them and everything, anything that you can recommend, especially for cleaning the cupboards. I love you so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.